Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we're definitely going to be talking about these two bar stools that I made with Faux Fur. And yes guys, I got them from $5 and below. Just $5. What a deal. And I also got these Faux Fur covers from $5 and below as well. They were just so awesome to use with these chairs. I also purchased these foam cushions from Walmart, 4 in a pack for under $7. And so guys, I placed the bar stool upside down and I just cut around it so that I can make a perfect circle for the bar top. And this is what it looked like after I cut them out. And I used 2 for each stool because I wanted enough cushion for both bar stools, and so I wanted to look like fluffy, and so I believe I achieved that look when I did that. So that's what it looks like, the Faux Fur coming out of the bag. And I also got this from $5 and below, so we're about to put this on top, cut it out so it can fit. And guys, stay tuned. So I turned the bar stool upside down again and I used the Faux Fur, and I actually cut it, and when I realized when I cut it is that it sheds. But if you don't cut it, it won't shed. So be very careful if you want to cut this. You don't really have to. I think that was one of my first mistakes. And I just used a hot glue gun to go around it, and I glued it down. This is the outcome of the stool, guys. Now with that 15 minutes. I think they turned out pretty well. What do you guys think? Thanks guys for tuning in with me. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. Thanks.